back with another video. Today it's your Brody Boy 71 here, back with another video. Today we just had our coffee and our waffles. Our friend's already gone, but yeah, we're going to be taking this F350 Super Duty. It's a 4x4 off-road Ford, and this is the Xbox Fords, and I really want the Chevy, but I have to play on PC, and I don't have a PC or a laptop. So yeah, guys, it's a mod that you can get. So we're going to be going to our friend's house, see if he's there, try to pick up the big machine, so we can head on to our construction site that we're building our house in. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button with post notifications, and hit that like button. It helps this video. It will give this video like a ton, like it will help it a ton. So make sure to. I got that from Arson the Farmer, and let's back it up. Try to back it up. That's the big machine. First, let's see, let's back it up. Let's not attach it yet. I forgot that I can't attach it yet. We have to see if my friend's home. Hello? Looks like no one's home. Peek through his window. Yeah, he's not home. So, he just said if I'm not home, he'll just take it. Yeah, this is the New Holland truck that we're gonna be using today. The New Holland, it's pretty nice. Oh yeah, we're gonna reattach it. He says if it tries to fall off, you could go ahead and reattach it. He said. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to reattach it. We're going to reattach it right over here. Alright, so, yeah, it's a 4, I forgot to put I forgot last night to go to the store and install dualies, but you know what? It is what it is. It doesn't really matter. This takes a lot of horsepower. It's really strong, this truck, and with dualies it goes faster, so. Alright, so, over here, today, we're going to be building a new house. My neighbor is building a house, actually. He's staying over at the motel, over for the night, and, he's staying over for the night, and, I said, hey, can I, join you after I'm done tonight? And, he's like, yeah, why not? Sure. Yeah, so I'm gonna go stop, yeah, right here, that house, that's my neighbor's house, right there. And we're gonna stop on by right here. He said, like, check it too. It's like, so, looks pretty good condition. His house is pretty cool. Yeah, he's almost done. Cool. Oh yeah, he has that chainsaw. Oh yeah, if you see that construction site over there, that is our site where we are going to go. I was picking this new truck I picked up today, and I'm gonna park next to my old truck. So yeah, I'm building my shed right here, or my house right here. I'm building it, but over there, that's gonna be the yeah, this is my truck right here with my camper that I've been using. Today I'm gonna be going to pick up another camper, and it's gonna be awesome. Alright, so we're gonna put this right here. Alright, put that right there. Okay, park it right there. And you know what we're gonna do? We are going to be going to be digging the sidewall of here. And we got our, yes, we got our truck over there. These are seeds that I thought they were sand, but I gotta delete them after. Oh yeah, by the way, multi-filling one. Multi-filling, wait, let me see what it's called. It's a multi-filling something, and by the way, if you don't have no much, like if you have 200 and you want to build a construction site, wait till you have 5 million. It takes a lot of your money. Multi-filling gas station, yeah, I got gold, and yeah, it takes a lot of your storage rate. So yeah, we're gonna head to construction site right now, and we're going to be pouring some sand, or some wood chip sands. So yeah, let's head on doing that. Okay, so guys, that would be good right now. We're almost done out of wood chips, and that would be good for now. Alright, so let's park this over here, and yeah, guys, today is going to be an interesting video because I did not get to do any videos like this today, and yeah, it's my first time doing a construction video like this. And yeah, guys, I finally found those bulldozer mods that you could have, and so guys, you guys know it's time to dig. So yeah, let's back it up behind here. Oh yeah, my iPad's charging, by the way. Back it up right here, and we could dig in this stuff. So it's gonna be really cool. Back it up. Beep 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 beep. It'll be actually far from here, and then you know what we're just gonna do? We're gonna take this. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna hop in this beast right over here, and we're going to be doing this. We're gonna back it up right here. It's called construction site, so Guys, we are going to be digging out right now, so just give us some time. Alright, so dig right there. Alright, start digging. Alright guys, I'm gonna watch a YouTube video for now to see how to dig for
stuff. This is one of them. It's a trench. It comes with all these other little decorations on the side. The only things I added was the truck, the excavator, and the skid steer over there. The cool thing about this truck or trailer here is, that grain container with the IT runner pack has a dump, a grain door that dumps out the side. That's really good for.
Alright, so, we need to... Oh, no, we don't want to do that.
These little trench holes.
Oh, I know where they are. We're going to be going... Wait, pause the view for a sec. We're going to be finding them. Oh, there they are. No, we do not have them, but you know what we could do? We could always get more. Oh, yeah, guys, that's what we're going to do. I know what to do now, so hop back on the Xbox, and let's get back on the truck, and let's go do it, guys. So, yeah, that's how the guy said we have to do those, and it's pretty fun to do. Alright, I'm gonna get this one. Wood chips. Takes a lot of your money away, but doesn't really matter to me, because I am a millionaire. Oscar the millionaire. Now let's watch what the YouTuber guy shows.
trench grain container with the IT one. Or again, I guess I'll say again. To dig on console, we must backfill the area first. We can't just dig the ground. We have to either use the landscape tool in order to make a little hole and then fill it with the material, or we have to use something like this mod pack site and fill the spot first, and then we can come in and do our role play and do whatever we're going to do. But it is going to take a little bit of work. Set this up the day before. This one I will pick up from the ground, done with some pit usage. I like using these field trigger conveyor up to the other ones. Here's a screen. One bucket by bucket, you can load it into your hopper. You could also put it over onto the ground and come back with your loader or skid steer or whatever you want to pick it up with. I'm doing it right here like this just because it's easier to pick it up and clean it up and not have to worry about it later. Alright, conveyor belt usage.
So we need to use the wait, I need to look what it's called. We already, yeah, we'll redo it.
That feeling of freedom is back. And with Avion, you have the freedom to choose any airline, any flight, anytime. Switch to RBC Avion and get 35,000 welcome.
Welcome to this look at new mods on Farming Simulator 19 with me, Mr. Sealy P. It is Wednesday the 16th of September and we have new mods. We also have an update today, only one. The update today is the large storage hall. This is by GeForce Modding and Dash Modding. The update does say added divider walls with visibility control, added a red and blue option to the buildings and other small adjustments. This was the big barn that had the lift that went up to a raised platform higher above. So on to the first of our mods for today, which is this in front of us. This is the pack Bigger Bag by Cyril Modding 88. There are three in this pack. There is a fertilizer bag, a seed bag and a lime bag. They are 2,000 litres each. Unfortunately I'm in the dark a little bit because I'm in the shadow of the building. I'm surprised they've got away with the branding on those. Don't often get away with that. But anyway, nice looking bags, 2,000 litres. As you would expect, everything looks okay. However, there is a problem with the pricing.
Alright guys, I forget something. I forget how to get the machines for a sec. I could probably figure it out. Are you skid steers? Nope, they're not. Are they in? Alright guys, just Oh, guys, we'll do this another time.